Few flowers are as beloved as the rose. For centuries, roses have captivated gardeners with their beauty, fragrance, and incredible diversity. But if you live in a cold climate, you may have heard that roses are difficult to grow. The truth is, many roses can thrive in USDA Zones 2, 3, and 4, surviving freezing winters while rewarding gardeners with spectacular blooms year after year. Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll explore the major groups of roses, discover some of the most beautiful cold-hardy varieties, compare their fragrances, and share care and winter protection tips to help them thrive. And be sure to stay until the end, where we'll reveal several famous roses that can survive these zones with a little extra winter protection. Let's begin. Before choosing a rose, it's helpful to understand the main groups. Shrub roses are among the easiest to grow. They are hardy, disease-resistant, and perfect for most home gardens. Explorer roses were developed in Canada specifically for harsh winters and are known for exceptional cold hardiness. Parkland roses were also bred in Canada and offer beautiful blooms combined with reliable winter survival. Rugosa roses are famous for their strong fragrance, disease resistance, and ability to tolerate extreme conditions. And climbing roses add height and drama to fences, trellises, and garden arches. Now let's explore the best roses for each growing zone. Zone 2 is one of the coldest gardening zones, where winter temperatures can drop below -40 degrees Fahrenheit. Yet these roses continue to thrive. Therese Bugnet is one of the toughest roses available. Its large, soft pink flowers bloom throughout summer and are accompanied by attractive red stems. Its fragrance is strong, sweet, and old-fashioned, with subtle spicy and fruity notes. For best results, plant it in full sun and well-drained soil. Although extremely hardy, a layer of mulch around the base helps protect roots and conserve moisture. Hansa Rose is famous for its deep pink-purple blooms and exceptional fragrance. The scent is rich, classic, and intensely spicy, often compared to cloves. This Rugosa rose is highly disease-resistant and easy to maintain. Deadheading spent flowers encourages additional blooming throughout the season. In colder locations, apply mulch around the crown after the ground freezes. Munk produces beautiful pink flowers and has excellent winter hardiness. Its fragrance is strong and traditional, filling the garden with a classic rose scent. Provide at least 6 hours of sunlight daily for maximum blooms. Adding compost around the root zone in late fall provides additional winter insulation. Frobisher produces delicate soft pink flowers with a charming old-world appearance. Its fragrance is gentle and fresh, with soft floral sweetness. Light spring pruning helps remove winter damage and encourages healthy growth. A thick layer of mulch is usually all the winter protection this rose needs. Prairie Joy produces clusters of bright pink flowers and is highly valued for disease resistance. Its fragrance is light to medium, with a fresh floral character. Water at the base rather than overhead to reduce disease issues. This rose generally requires very little winter protection. Connell is one of the finest white to creamy white rose for cold climate gardens. This beautiful Canadian explorer rose produces creamy yellow blooms that gradually fade to ivory as they mature, creating a soft and elegant display throughout the season. Its fragrance is medium in strength, offering a sweet, old-fashioned rose scent with subtle citrus notes. For best results, plant Connell in full sun and well-drained soil. Although extremely hardy, applying a layer of mulch around the base in late fall helps protect the roots and retain moisture through winter. If you're looking for a rare yellowish or white rose that can handle northern winters, Connell is an excellent choice. Yukon Sunrise was developed with northern gardeners in mind. Its blooms display beautiful shades of peach, yellow, pink, and apricot, often appearing as though a sunrise has been captured inside a flower. The fragrance is light and delicate, with soft fruity and floral notes. This rose benefits from a yearly application of compost in spring to encourage healthy growth and abundant flowering. While naturally hardy, adding mulch around the crown after the first hard frost provides extra winter protection. Yukon Sunrise is perfect for gardeners who want warm colors in colder climates. Zone 3 gardeners enjoy slightly milder winters, opening the door to even more beautiful rose varieties. Cabot is one of Canada's most popular climbing roses. Its deep pink flowers bloom repeatedly throughout the season. The fragrance is light and sweet, noticeable when viewed up close. Provide a sturdy trellis or fence for support. Before winter, secure the canes to prevent wind damage. William Baffin is one of the hardiest climbing roses ever developed. Its bright pink flowers create a spectacular display. The fragrance is mild and pleasantly floral. Prune lightly to maintain shape. Most gardeners find it survives winter with little additional protection. Henry Kelsey produces rich red flowers and offers one of the strongest fragrances among explorer roses. Its scent combines classic rose perfume with spicy undertones. Apply a balanced rose fertilizer in spring for best flowering. Mulching around the base before winter provides extra root protection. John Davis is admired for its soft pink flowers and repeat blooming habit. Its fragrance is sweet, rich, and slightly fruity. Remove older canes every few years to improve airflow and vigor. Protect the crown with mulch before winter. Alexander Mackenzie features deep red flowers and excellent cold hardiness. Its fragrance is a pleasant old rose scent with light spice. Plant in full sun for maximum flowering. Apply mulch around the root zone each fall. Quadra is a stunning climbing rose known for its deep red blooms. Its fragrance is soft and floral. Training young canes horizontally encourages more flowers. Secure climbing canes before winter storms arrive. Champlain is loved for its constant display of bright red flowers. Its fragrance is delicate and subtle. Regular deadheading promotes continuous blooming. This variety usually requires minimal winter care. Above and Beyond is one of the most exciting cold hardy climbing roses available today. Developed specifically for northern climates, it produces large apricot orange flowers that bring a unique color rarely seen among hardy climbing roses. Its fragrance is medium in strength, featuring sweet fruity notes with hints of fresh apricot. To encourage more blooms, train the canes horizontally along a fence, trellis, or arbor. Before winter arrives, secure the canes and apply mulch around the base for additional root protection. For gardeners dreaming of a climbing rose that can survive cold winters, Above and Beyond truly lives up to its name. Never Alone Rose is a beautiful Canadian rose developed to support cancer awareness initiatives. This variety produces masses of bright pink blooms throughout the growing season and performs exceptionally well in colder regions. Its fragrance is medium in strength, with a fresh floral scent and gentle sweetness. Regular deadheading encourages continuous flowering from early summer until frost. A layer of mulch around the crown in late fall helps prepare the plant for winter. With its meaningful story and reliable performance, Never Alone Rose is both beautiful and inspiring. Marmalade Dream is a vibrant floribunda rose known for its brilliant orange blooms. The flowers appear almost glowing against the green foliage and provide a bold splash of color in any landscape. Its fragrance is light with soft fruity notes. Plant this rose in full sun to achieve the brightest flower color and strongest bloom production. Applying mulch around the base before winter helps protect the roots during colder months. For gardeners who love warm, eye-catching colors, Marmalade Dream is a standout variety. Canadian Shield is one of Canada's newer introductions and has quickly gained popularity among cold climate gardeners. This rose produces rich red blooms continuously from early summer until frost and offers excellent disease resistance. Its fragrance is medium in strength, with a pleasant classic rose scent. A spring feeding with balanced fertilizer encourages vigorous growth and abundant blooms. In Zone 4, only a light layer of winter mulch is usually needed. Canadian Shield combines beauty, durability, and reliability, making it an excellent landscape rose. Oscar Peterson Rose is a beautiful Canadian rose known for its pure white blooms with bright golden centers and excellent winter hardiness. It flowers repeatedly from early summer until frost and offers outstanding disease resistance, making it a reliable choice for northern gardens. Fragrance is light to medium, fresh, clean floral scent with subtle sweetness. Plant in full sun and water regularly during dry periods. A layer of mulch around the base in late fall is usually all that's needed. A stunning and easy care rose for USDA Zone 3 gardens. Zone 4 gardeners can enjoy an even wider selection of roses, including many colorful Parkland varieties. Morden Blush produces elegant soft pink flowers that resemble hybrid tea roses. Its fragrance is sweet and delicate, with hints of fresh apple. Apply compost each spring to support healthy growth. Mulch around the base before winter. Yukon Sunrise is known for its beautiful yellow-orange blooms. Its fragrance is mild and slightly fruity. Full sun helps produce the richest flower color. Protect the crown with mulch during winter. Yukon Centennial produces large pink blooms throughout the growing season. Its fragrance is a classic sweet rose scent. Feed after the first bloom cycle to encourage repeat flowering. Apply winter mulch around the base. Yukon Fireglow offers brilliant red-orange flowers that stand out in any garden. Its fragrance is light and floral. Remove weak stems during spring pruning. Mulch around the root zone before winter. Winnipeg Parks is one of the most reliable landscape roses for cold climates. Its fragrance is fresh and clean. Water deeply during dry periods. Winter protection is rarely necessary. Cuthbert Grant produces velvety deep red blooms. Its fragrance is rich and traditional. Prune lightly each spring to maintain shape. Mulch around the crown in late fall. Hope for Humanity features striking dark red flowers and excellent disease resistance. Its fragrance is mild and pleasant. Good airflow around the plant helps maintain healthy foliage. Apply mulch after the first hard frost. Campfire Rose is famous for blooms that change color throughout the season. Its fragrance combines soft floral and fruity notes. Deadhead spent flowers to encourage continuous blooming. Add mulch around the root zone before winter. Frontenac produces large clusters of bright pink flowers. Its fragrance is fresh and lightly floral. Provide consistent watering during hot weather. Mulch around the base in late fall. Emily Carr produces rich red blooms repeatedly throughout the season. Its fragrance is pleasantly floral with subtle fruity notes. Apply fertilizer in spring and early summer. Protect roots with a layer of mulch before winter. Bonus roses for zones 2, 3, and 4 with extra winter protection. With proper winter care, several famous roses can also survive in colder climates. Using deep mulch, burlap wraps, rose cones, and sheltered planting locations can greatly improve winter survival. Creamy white blooms edged in red make double delight one of the most famous roses in the world. Its fragrance is powerful, spicy, and fruity. For zones 3 and 4, mound soil around the crown and use winter protection. Mr. Lincoln produces large, velvety red flowers. Its deep damask fragrance is often considered the classic rose scent. Protect with mulch and burlap in colder climates. Peace Rose is famous for its yellow flowers edged in soft pink. Its fragrance is sweet with hints of citrus. Plant in a sheltered location and provide winter mulch. Queen Elizabeth Rose, this elegant rose produces large pink blooms on tall stems. Its fragrance is fresh and lightly sweet. Protect the crown with soil and mulch before winter. Iceberg Rose produces masses of white flowers all season. Its fragrance is soft and honey-like. Winter protection is recommended in colder regions. Eden Climber is one of the world's most admired climbing roses. Its blooms are large, romantic, and beautifully fragrant. Wrap or protect canes during severe winters. Abraham Darby produces enormous peach pink flowers. Its fragrance is rich with notes of fruit, citrus, and classic rose perfume. Provide heavy mulch and winter protection. Gertrude Jekyll, often considered one of the most fragrant roses ever bred. Its scent is intensely rich, sweet, and unmistakably old-fashioned. In cold climates, provide deep mulch and shelter from winter winds. Whether you garden in Zone 2, Zone 3, or Zone 4, there are beautiful roses capable of surviving harsh winters while filling your landscape with color, fragrance, and charm. From hardy Canadian explorer roses to intensely fragrant Rugosa varieties and colorful Parkland roses, there truly is a rose for every cold climate garden. Which rose was your favorite? And what growing zone do you garden in? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gardening guides, rare plants, and outdoor garden inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.